Welcome. If you want to get live Galaxy wallpaper on your ZTE Blade 10 Prime, at first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Shadow Galaxy. Click install. Right now we can open. Click open another time and then tap on the set wallpaper button. Sorry, I just misspelled the word. So as you can see right now, here we got this beautiful live 3D wallpaper on our phone. Thank you guys for watching, click thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.